Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I had something else planned, but that did not pan out, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna take you guys through my super quick, easy daytime skincare routine. I've already showed you guys how my taking off my makeup routine. I'll leave an eye above for that. But this is just I've washed my face, or you know, this is just my quick daytime routine. I washed my face with my First Aid Beauty Gentle Cleanser. That's my everyday cleanser, whether I'm taking off my makeup or not. I use that when I get up in the morning, and then I use that in the evenings before I go to bed as well. First thing I do after I wash my face is I tone, and I'm using my Up and Up, which is the Target brand, Deep Clean Toner. This has salicylic acid in it, which is really good for treating breakouts. Currently, I don't really have any breakouts except for this one bump right here, which is really small, but it's under the skin, and this was gonna be a monster, but thankfully enough, I got to it in time with my Killa Sticka? I can't remember what it's called. I'll put a picture somewhere around here what the box is like. But it's like these zit patches, and it has these little micro darts, so it just injects the medicine directly into your skin, and I love them so much. I think I'm on my fourth or fifth box. I keep buying the I keep buying the little boxes with that only have 4 in them. It comes in I think 16 and then 4. I just like to go over with a cotton round. These cotton rounds have a exfoliating side and then a smooth side. I like to use the exfoliating side with this toner, and then I go in with my FOURTHRAY Beauty Rain Waterfall Gentle Tonic. This one's a lot more moisturizing. So whenever I use this toner, I typically use a moisturizing one after. I double tone, especially if I do a face mask. And when I do a face mask in the nighttime, I definitely double tone. I tone before my after I wash my face before my mask, and then I tone again after I wash off the mask. Typically what I do the second time I tone is I go in with a more gentle and more moisturizing toner. So my nighttime toner, what I would use is it's this rose water toner. God, I forgot the name. I'll leave a picture of it here for you guys, and I'll leave links in the description box for all these products. But this FOURTHRAY Beauty one, this is my 3rd bottle of this since last September. I've been using this for a year, and I have noticed a great difference in my skin overall, retaining more moisture. The skincare routine I currently have definitely has just kind of helped minimize my breakouts. My pores look significantly smaller, oddly enough, or more refined. I don't know how to put it, because your pores can't necessarily get bigger or smaller. It's once they open up, they can't close again, or something to that effect. This is my favorite of the 3 toners I use and I've been using for the past year. It smells good, it's so light, and it feels super refreshing. So after I go in with my toner, when my face is still a little damp, I like to go in with my hyaluronic acid. I talked about this before. I use the Ordinary hyaluronic acid. It's really good. I've not tried any other hyaluronic acid serums other than the Ordinary. This is the only one I've tried, and I've been using it since last year, I think last summer. I bought this before the fall, I believe. I've been using it from before last fall. So probably sometime in July or June. And then I go in with my niacinamide. The niacinamide I have been using since last November or October. I do remember the niacinamide was a little late to the party, but a very good. I use my niacinamide and my hyaluronic acid in my daytime and my nighttime routine, both. And then I'm going to go in with the Daily Eye Cream. I've been using this for a couple weeks, probably since July of this year. I don't know, I don't know if I can say I've noticed. I was only using it at night for maybe about like couple, like 2-3 weeks. And then I recently started using it like more like in the daytime. My under eyes feel moisturized after using it, so it does its job there. I haven't noticed like any less bags or anything like that because I am some type of lunatic and I don't sleep. So not because I have insomnia, just I'm just one of those weird, like, I don't know, like I prefer to be awake during the day, but I also like being awake at night. I don't know how to describe it. I have no idea how to describe it. And this past week I've been like cleaning my room because my room is always a deep reflection of how I feel mentally. So typically if my room is a mess, mentally I'm a mess. It's probably the best way to describe it. I've been cleaning my room because I don't have a lot of room in here. I don't have a lot of space, and I'm trying to maximize the amount of space that I have, especially considering that I'm filming and I film in this tiny little corner, this tiny area of the room. So I'm just trying to create more space for myself, and then that way I can film more often. I don't need to move around a million and one things. My mind feels more clear. I just, with everything going on, I just need to be in a good headspace, and the lack of organization in here really reflects. I typically like to put that moisturizer under the daily eye cream. It's basically, it's an eye moisturizer, it's an eye cream. I like to put that on before I put on my general like moisturizer, because when you put on, once you put on moisturizer, you've created like a barrier for your skin. So anything else you put on top of that is not gonna completely soak through. I learned that when I was figuring out why the heck spraying my face mist over my moisturized face wasn't making a difference, because duh, it's moisturized. You created this barrier with the lotion. Spraying a setting spray on top is just wetting your face. It's not gonna help. So yeah, because I had bought the FOURTHRAY Beauty Do It hyaluronic hydrating mist, and I was trying to use that like over my, like spray it on my face in the nighttime after I moisturize, but then I realized like you've already put the lotion on your face. What are you doing? So yeah, and then this kind of made me this broke me out a little bit when I started using it the right way. And then when I started trying to use it like under my makeup, this did not agree with me at all. So after like the first use, it was immediate, like, well, the first use using it properly, it was immediate that it was not gonna work for me. And then the first use using it under my makeup was even more immediate that it wasn't gonna work for me, because I quickly broke out. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, I'll leave my Instagram handle down here, and there's a link to it down in the description box as well. Then I posted some pictures recently of just barefaced me outside trying to be trendy, and yeah, I mean, my skin looked great, but I had used this, and it was just some moisture. I just like did my skin prep, my daytime skin prep, use this on my face, and then my moisturizer over it, and it just made my face so dewy and so moisturized. I was impressed. I was like, wow. And it didn't break me out that time. So I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna use this with makeup over it anymore, and I'm only gonna use this every once in a while. I like to go in with next is a little bit of my Oil of Olay moisturizer. You guys have heard me talk about this before. I take about that much. And I've been using this since I was 10, 11, because I've been moisturizing, well, probably way before that, because I've always moisturized my face. My mom never sent me to school with a dry face. Like, there were other kids who were always super ashy, and you know, and it's just a moisturizer. It's just a daily moisturizer. It has SPF in it. It's SPF 15, so always remember your SPF, guys. So yeah, I've been using this for years. It's been a very long time. So proven to be great. This stuck with me through my preteen skin, my teen skin, my now adult skin, you know. Like, this is a staple. This is always gonna be in my routine. And then I have been using the Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer since March. I had got a sample with a Sephora order, and I decided that I wanted to try it for myself. And I like it a lot. It's very hydrating. I like to use the 2 of these in the daytime, and then I like to use just the milk. No, I like to use the milk and my FOURTHRAY Beauty hyaluronic hydrating mask as like a combo for a night cream, because it is very heavy. I don't really like to go into this alone during the daytime, like I said, because it's really heavy, but this is a very light moisturizer, and when I just want just a little extra oomph, a little extra moisture, I go in with this on top. And that is it. Yeah, actually that is it. I have been using the Good Molecules discoloration, skin discoloration brightener. I don't know if I've seen, like, my scarring looks a little lighter, but I've only been using it for like consistently for like 3 weeks. So I don't know, I'm not expecting for it to be a huge difference or make a big impact on my skin in only 3 weeks. Like that's months. And for me, acne, like the breakout scarring, acne scarring, it takes a while to go away anyway. Sometimes the same places that I have a scar re-break out again, which is so frustrating. And then it'll go away because I won't mess with it. I'm like, do not pop it, do not pop it, do not pop it. And I fight the urge and I don't pop it, and then it will dissipate on its own and still leave a scar, or the scar will be darker and worse than before, and I'm just like, you didn't need to do that to me, but here we are. So yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna keep using that because it looks like they look a little lighter. I can't like tell for sure, but I'm gonna keep using it to see for myself and see how I like it, because like I said in videos before, that if you are going to be using skincare products, I don't want to see nobody's first impressions. Don't tell me about something after you've washed your face with it for a week. I don't care. Tell me how you feel about it after 6 months. Tell me how your skin feels about it after 6 months to a year. That's important. So all these products that I just used here today and all the products I use in my routine right now are all products that I've been using for 6 months to a year, because I can't be out here telling y'all something is good or I like something if I don't know, if I've only used it for like 2 days. That's just rude. Rude, super rude. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, your girl is uploading every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday at 7 p. EST and Saturday at 3:30 p. EST. I am sorry that this past Wednesday I missed the upload. In me trying to get my life together in my room, I did not get to edit my video, and I also bought a new mattress as well. There's been a lot of adult life changes happening for me that needed to be done. A mattress is one of them. I was sleeping on the same mattress from like 2011. It was pretty overdue for a new one. So, and also, mattresses are a scam. Why are they so expensive? We'll cover it in another video, I guess. I'm just joking. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Click the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. There'll be links to all these products down in the description box, as well as links to all my social medias. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, as well as Facebook. I have a Facebook page specifically for my YouTube page, so go ahead and give me a little follow on there. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.